Welcome to 1243 Gooseberry Court here in Sunnyvale. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,064 square foot home on a 7,098 square foot lot, listed for $1,998,000. This is a complete fixer here in Sunnyvale in the 94087 zip code, one of Sunnyvale's most desirable zip codes for the top schools and great neighborhoods. Located here on this nice quiet cul-de-sac, as you guys can see. Beautiful day today here in the month of May. It's about 85 degrees. Check out the neighborhood. Let's take a quick look at the outside. This is listed by the David Lewis Group of Compass. If you guys are in the market for a complete fixer, this is the home. Located in one of Sunnyvale's best neighborhoods. Once it's fixed up, this home would provide years of equity, years of appreciation, in a great neighborhood. Just want to show you guys the exterior condition of the house. Like I said, this is a complete fixer, totally different than the other homes that we have toured. Let's check it out. So upon entering here, we are in the living room. Original carpet. This may date back to the 60s or so. This home was originally built in 1956. Old school crank windows. Single pane. Big skylight here in the living room. Brick fireplace, shag carpet, this right here would be your dining room area. Picture a nice dining table stage here, overlooking the kitchen. Check out the kitchen. Look at this flooring. Very cool, old school linoleum, vinyl type flooring. Underneath, original wood. Again, complete fixer-upper. Whoever buys this home needs to go through it room by room with a contractor and just remodel it to their liking. This is the entry door where we came from. You have some storage area here to your left. Let's go over on this side. So there are two entryways. I thought this was the front of the house, the front door, but this actually leads into what would have been your laundry room. Here goes the your sink and your washer and dryer hookups. A bunch of storage up top. You do have access to your attic from within the laundry room. Inside the laundry room is also your hot water tank heater. This actually looks fairly new compared to the rest of the home. So it looks like it was replaced not that long ago. Let's make a right. Nice big room here. This looks like this is the primary bedroom. You have your closet area here. Window overlooking the front of the property. Again, this is in a nice, quiet cul-de-sac here in Sunnyvale. You have your wall heater. And this is the first bathroom. Check it out. Very old school. With this lime green wallpaper. Let's check out the shower stall. You do have access to the backyard from the kitchen and also from the primary bedroom that we just came out of. Let's wrap around on this side of the house. Nice large window overlooking the backyard. This is like another living room, sunken living room. These used to be popular back in the 50s and 60s. As you can see, the elevation change here. There goes your brick fireplace. Just really want you guys to see the condition of the property. Here goes your HVAC room. Some more storage here. How's it going, guys? Some more carpet. Yellow carpet, purple carpet. Here goes another room. Decent sized room. Window overlooking the entry area of the home. There goes your closet. Pretty standard closet. And now into this bedroom with original hardwood flooring. Again, this one is actually located here in the corner, so you do get two windows. There's currently no light on in here, but it's pretty bright. So lots of natural lighting in this room. You could probably extend this window here, make a nice bigger window. Here goes the closet. It's missing its doors. Another access point into the attic from within this room. And this is bathroom number 2. As you guys can see, this one is currently unfinished. So you guys are able to see the walls, the studs, the insulation. You have your tub here. This would be your handles. And this would connect to your shower head up top. This would be your hookups to the sink area. Let's check out this other bedroom. This one's a little darker. We do have all these trees out here blocking some of the sunlight. There's no area for a light fixture currently. This is the other side of that unfinished bathroom. That looks like that's the tub side, and this would be your shower stall. Here's where you would have your other sink. Again, exposed studs. You can see the insulation. You can see the can lighting. And a nice walk-in closet. Pretty deep, as you guys can see. You do have one light up here controlled by this string. Let's see if we can take a look at the backyard. I've already went ahead and opened this door here, so you can check out the lot size. This is the backyard. Again, it's sitting on an almost 8,000 square foot lot. Lots of space to expand in either direction. Great fixer-upper here in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Sunnyvale. You do have your electrical panel out here. Looks like the Zinsco magnet trip type. Couple little storage shacks out here. And a nice little workshop area here to the side of the home. As you guys can see, complete fixer-upper. If you guys are in the market for a fixer-upper where you guys can build it to your own liking, room by room, this is the perfect property. If you guys are in construction, if you guys know a contractor that won't shy away from a project like this, this would be a great investment. Like I said, this is in one of the best pockets of Sunnyvale. Whoever buys this home and fixes it up is definitely buying in prime real estate here. What do you guys think? Is this too much of a project home? Or is this something that you guys can take on? Let me know if you guys want to schedule a private tour. Like I said, I live here in Sunnyvale, about 5 minutes down from this house. Reach out to me, contact me, send me a message. Happy to get us in and show you this house. Bring your contractors over. That's it for now. Hope you guys are enjoying these tours. Like I said, my goal is to show you guys every property here in Sunnyvale and be your go-to real estate agent / realtor here in Sunnyvale. I am also an inspector. My background is in the trades, so I'm definitely the right guy for you guys. until the next tour.